What's up guys and welcome to another video for today's welcome. So I'm back for being closed for one day. I thought I'm gonna off for 3 days, but that's it. I don't want you guys to get bored and unsubscribe to my channel, but guys, I'm back again for another video for today. So you can see I'm on another new game in Roblox. Actually, when I was off, I was playing another game. It's called ML, not Roblox. Okay, bonus again. Bonus! Bang! Jackpot! Jackpot yan, jackpot! Uy, kunin mo na! Paldo! Paldo! Kina nga! Hindi ka, boy! Ang lakas! Ang lala, pare! Grabe, guys! Oh, guys! Kaya nga pa, ay ako Pilipino, hindi ako America or just a British. I'm a content creator Filipino. I'm a Filipino content creator. Boom! Another one! Okay, give me something good. Baldo! Pare! Baldo, may handa ako ngayon. Dude, that's so lucky, dude. I have so many. This is my second bonus, bruh. That's so good, bruh. Oh my god. I'm feeling so lucky today to playing this game. But look at that. The big franking style. So one game. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so lucky for this, guys. Oh my god, this is my first big, bro. Okay, bonus. Another bonus. Puti ang galaga. Ay po, tangina. Okay. I'm getting this game. I'm not doing any games like Black Spook because I'm so bored from grinding. So, you know, that's it. I'm very busy for today, so I can use this game all day. Okay, and I have Paldo. Okay, if you're wondering why I'm saying Paldo, it means lucky, dude. And I just swear kanina. Kaya, oh my god! I just got another one. But I can't get this. Okay. Let's see. Nasaan tayo, guys, no? So yun lang makikip ko ngayon, guys. I forgot to feed my pet. Time. Okay, I got it. Oh, someone recognized me. Okay, someone recognized me again. I think this is my subscriber. I love making videos for you. Oh my god, I'm running out of English. God, sorry. of English, guys. I'm running out of English. My accent is Filipino accent. So if I say like Jojo Bot. Jojo Bot is a pretty big YouTuber. I'm a small content creator. So, if you have question for me, just oh my god, so many ad branding me. Is this a subscriber or is this a subscriber or not? Yo. Oh, look at that. So many ad branding me, guys. So many ad branding me. Look at that. There are 3 friends that oh my god, I'm I don't know. Let's go now over. Oh guys, I'm so pretty lucky today. So if you have suggestion for me guys for today's for this game, please I don't know. I can't say it. I can't describe this. I'm lack of English. That's it, guys. Okay. Thank you guys for watching for today. So hope you like this video Please subscribe. Bye.